Today's stock market investment is a big fad, with courses on how to invest and get rich, advice about investing in stocks. Here is a simple piece of advice from John Bogle, considered as a financial maverick. He made his name as the founder in 1976 of the first ever stock market index fund, the Vanguard 500, and grew it to be the second largest fund provider in the world with over 3 trillion under management. In 1999, Fortune named him one of the four giants of the 20th century in the investing field. In 2004, the Time magazine included him in the Time 100 list of the world's 100 most powerful and influential people. He gives an extremely simple piece of advice in his excellent book, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing. He says if you invest in the stock market, put your money in a fund that automatically owns a little bit of every company listed. Over time, it is a sure and almost worry-free way to accumulate wealth.